We'll move on to our warm green salad. Kind of like a spinach salad when you always serve it with a warm dressing. You cook the bacon, add the mushrooms and the shallots and the garlic, and then while the dressing is still nice and warm, you add in your acid and your mustard. So we have olive oil this time. To our warm oil, we're going to add our garlic. Just grate it in, or you could just even just crush it, flatten it out with your knife, and it'll break into little pieces. We're going to swirl in our garlic for about 30 seconds to a minute. You don't want to singe the garlic. Couple turns of the pan with whatever vinegar you use to make your pickled onions. You could use cider vinegar, you can use white wine vinegar, white balsamic vinegar, whatever. Give it a little shake. If you're feeling a little stuffy, lean your head in because the vinegar will clean you right out. A fat spoonful of grainy Dijon or Dijon. And then I add either honey or light agave to sweeten it naturally. A little salt and pepper in our dressing. Whiskey. Ooh, cutlet time. Cutlet time. Woo, they're perfect. Look at them suckers. Mmm. That's some fine looking fried meat. Yeah. Yum. Now, to our warm dressing, we're going to wilt in any dark greens that you like. Chard, Swiss chard, rainbow chard, escarole, or kale. We're going to get these guys down in here. And while they're wilting, I'm going to keep our cutlets crisp in the oven. I'll meet you right back here, and we'll build a pretty looking plate.